Today, Reese is going to show us how to start a website. And we are going to use Weebly to start our website because it is free and easy to use. What are some reasons why we would start a website, Reese?
For your interests, if you want to make a website or a business that you're starting.
Okay. And why did you start your Weebly?
Because I was very interested in something, and I was very interested in dogs, so I used the Weebly.
Okay, great. So what's the very first thing that somebody has to do if they're going to do a Weebly or any website?
Well, they have to go to Weebly.com, and they have to go to the page and type in their name.
Okay, so you have to like sign up.
Yeah. Then type in your email.
Okay. I'm not going to show your email. So you're going to go to Weebly.com.
Password is then you press sign up.
Awesome. Okay, so then what is this? What's the focus of your site?
So there's a store. There's 3 sections. There's a store, which if you wanted to make up your store on a website, and then there's a blog. So like, say you wanted to start your own messaging system, you can do a blog or a site. I'll show you how to do a site.
Okay.
And then there's different themes for your different topics, which I like impact.
Okay, show us some of the other ones before you choose impact.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And
Those
then
are lots of different themes, huh?
Yes.
So you could probably find a theme for whatever it is, something that correlates to whatever it is that you're interested in.
Yeah.
All right, so go ahead and select your theme. Now, can you change your theme once you've picked it?
Yes.
So you can always go back and change it.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
So then you can come up with a title, but if you don't have to choose your title yet, you could just X out.
Oh, cool. So what does this stuff on the left mean? Title, text, image, gallery. Can you show us what a title is? Start us with the very basics.
Title, you can just drag it to this little box, and it'll have just a little thing where you could put anything you want. So you could say dogs, or text is like, it's for if you wanted to type a lot of things, you could just type, "Hi, my name is Reese."
Okay, so what you're doing is you're taking something from that left bar and you're dragging it over to the right.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
And then you can add images. So if you had any images, you could search them. So if you like dogs, you could search it. There's professional photos, which you have to buy, and then there's free photos. Sometimes they don't show up.
Okay.
So you could also look at a different browser for dogs or dog, and say you like this picture.
Okay.
You can copy the image URL.
Okay, how did you just do that?
You could either click this or Alt right click, and then you do save link or save image as.
Okay.
And then you can name it whatever and press save, and then you can go back to your Weebly and go to my computer and upload a photo from your computer. Then you'll see your picture and press open, and then it'll pop up.
Oh, very cute. Awesome.
And you could make it smaller if you wanted to.
Awesome. So what is a gallery, slideshow, map? What are all those things?
A gallery is where you have multiple pictures.
Okay.
And then a slideshow is you can have multiple pictures, but then they'll just have slideshows, so you could do different ways. So you could do multiple.
Okay. That's awesome. And then what's a map?
A map is just to, if you had a location, then you can click here and then write your address.
Okay, so can you make up an address? Let's say where we are right now. This just the city and the state.
Chicago.
Okay, so Chicago, Illinois, and then
And you just click out of it, and then it should.
maybe hit return. Do we need to hit return?
Usually it works.
I wonder if you need to hit publish.
Wait,
Oh.
I got it. Okay,
So why didn't it work the first time, and how did you fix it?
you have to like put it. You have to write the whole Illinois out, or like your whole
City?
city. Yeah.
Okay.
So I just put Chicago,
Okay. Awesome.
and then you can zoom it in, zoom it out.
Okay, awesome. Great job. Thank you so much for showing us some of the basics on a Weebly today. Why don't you show us your actual website now? Flip over to the one that you did called Adopt Dogs. And can you just show us those basics that you just showed us on yours?
So right here's a title, and then I used a little text box to write all that. I used some images, and I also have a slideshow.
Oh, very cool.
Then you can add more.
Okay, what are those called?
They're called pages. They're under pages.
Okay, can you go back and show us how we add a page?
Then there's pages, and you press add, and you can have a standard page, a blog page, store page, or external page.
Okay. So most of your pages were what?
They're mostly just regular standard pages.
Okay.
But I have one blog.
And what is a blog?
I just wrote different things like dots, and people can comment on it and like it.
Oh,
and
cool.
Also, there's like you can do surveys.
Oh, nice. Very cool.
And, one more thing, make sure you put publish before you exit out,
Why is that so important to hit publish before you exit out?
because then it wouldn't save.
Yeah, and all of your hard work that you've done the whole entire time will be gone, right?
Yes.
All right, great job. Any other tip that you have?
Also, for videos, you have to make sure you get it from YouTube, because there's some things that wouldn't work. So.
Okay. Awesome. All right, thank you so much for walking us through this. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.